Yoshi box.
Hi guys, I'm going to make a ham and egg sandwich Angry Birds.
Here are the ingredients. 4 slices of bread, scrambled egg, cooked ham, sliced cheese, a sheet of seaweed, chocolate pretzels, and chocolate sticks, star chips, and this bread cutter to help you make the details. Let's start.
You can use a glass to serve as your bread cutter. Punch out the circle bread. Clean the side of the bread to make a perfect circle. Do it again on the cooked ham. Cut a half circle on the ham. Again, cut a circle on the scrambled egg. Sandwich the scrambled egg and put the ham on the top. Cut 2 small circles on the sliced cheese. This will be Redbird's eyes. Then punch 2 small circles on the sheet of seaweeds. Cut these shapes for Redbird's details. Assemble the details just like this. Put a small chip for his beak. Now, we will make the piggy bread. Punch 2 slices of bread, ham, scrambled eggs using this bear-shaped cutter. Stack the scrambled egg and ham in between the slice of bread. Make the pig snout using an oblong cutter and punch 2 holes like this. Make the eyes same steps on Redbird's eye. Use chocolate stick and pretzels for the design. In a small container, place the star-shaped chips for added details. And we're done. I will let my cousin and sister taste my ham and egg sandwich and see their reactions. Hello, this is my sister and my cousin. They're gonna taste my Angry Bird sandwich. And they will have about it. Okay, bye-bye.
Zega, is it yummy? Yes. Ocean. Ocean, is it yummy?
Sweet and so yummy. Thanks for watching. Please like and share and subscribe.